Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to TopTech. Today we're checking out some cool gadgets and accessories for your cars, so let's quickly get started. We're going to start off strong with this car jack. Now this is an electronic car jack that uses the 12-volt socket in your car. If you don't have a spare lighter port available, you can use these clips to directly attach to battery terminals of any 12-volt battery. This particular jack has a 5-ton capacity and it comes packaged in a hard molded case for easy storage. The controller also has a small LED that can be useful in really dark areas for illumination, and the box also includes a manual handle in case you don't have an access to 12 volts. You can use the manual handle to increase or decrease the height of the jack, even though this takes a long time. Also, the controller has a very short cable. We would like to see a longer one, but the overall convenience of this jack, especially for people with accessibility issues, is excellent and I definitely recommend it. Go check it out. We'll have it linked in the description below. Next up, if you use charging cables in your car, we have a variety of options to recommend. All of these are silicone sheathed cables, so they are more durable than braided cables. They're extremely flexible, they don't tangle at all, and more importantly, they don't capture dirt and dust and are rather easy to clean up. These are really useful to have in the car. By design, they are also bacteria resistant and are available in a variety of options, including this one with metal end caps, one with a digital display, and one which is standard C2C. We'll have all of these linked in the description below. Next up, we're checking out this battery maintainer and trickle charger. What this basically does is prevents your battery from going dead if you're not using your vehicles for a long time. This does work with both two-wheelers as well as four-wheelers, as it does support both 6-volt and 12-volt batteries. It works with all kinds of batteries, including lead-acid batteries, which are pretty standard, but it also works with AGM batteries for cars that are equipped with the start-stop function, and it'll also work with gel batteries that you may use indoors in your house for an inverter. Not only is it great for maintaining the life of the battery, but if your car's battery has run down completely, this can charge it up all the way. To use this, all you need to do is attach the clip onto your battery's terminals and plug this into a wall socket. It'll automatically display the status of the charge and it automatically detects what the voltage of the battery is. Go check it out, we'll have it linked in the description below. This next product is sponsored by Flipkart. This is a full HD dash cam with a 2-megapixel CMOS sensor. It has a 140-degree wide angle lens, and it also has a super capacitor that will prevent any of your recordings from getting damaged in case of a power failure. Now, this is powered by a USB port and can record full HD video at 30 frames per second and has an f2 aperture, which makes it good for low light environments as well. It supports up to a 128GB SD card, and you can also do a time-lapse recording in which you'll get 1 frame per second in parking mode. All the features and functionality of the dashcam can be controlled with the app, which connects wirelessly to the camera and allows you to not only play back and preview footage, but also control the functions of the camera. Next up, we're checking out this secondary interior mirror. Now, this attaches next to your existing car mirror and can be used to monitor people inside the car, especially if you have kids. This can come in really handy, as you can use this to see the interior of your car without needing to twist your head completely around, and hence potentially making this a safety add-on for a lot of people. Now, next up, we're checking out this phone holder. Now, this attaches to the backrest of the front passenger seats. So if you're a traveler that likes to sit in the rear seat and likes to watch content, this is a great tool to have for that, especially if you're going on a long journey. This is great for attaching your phone, using it as a navigation accessory, or even to view content on the go if you're in the passenger seat. It clips onto the headrest rod using the included clamp and then will hold your phone in a horizontal position for convenience. Go check it out, we'll have it linked in the description below. Next up, we're checking out this anti-slip mat. Now, this is a ridiculously good quality anti-slip mat that can even hold your phone vertically. It has grip and anti-skid functionality on both sides, so it not only holds on to the dashboard of your car well, but anything that you keep on this mat will also stay put. So whether you want to have your phone up for navigation or whether you would just want to have it there in your line of sight, this is a great mat to have for that, and it'll also prevent things from rolling around in your car and potentially distracting you. Go check this out, we'll have it linked in the description below. This next product is sponsored by Flipkart. This is a pro dashcam that supports a 1296p resolution, a 140-degree field of view, and an f2 aperture. This also has a super capacitor built in to prevent any failure of recordings, and it supports up to a 256GB micro SD card. It is also designed for our weather, and it supports up to 85 degrees Celsius and also negative 25 degrees Celsius. It also has a built-in G sensor that will automatically mark and record incidents that may happen during your trip. It captures really good quality video and also works well in low light conditions and even even has a night mode. The body of the camera can be twisted back, so in case you want to use it as a camera for the interior of the car, you can do that while it is still attached to the windscreen. All the features and functionality of the dashcam can be controlled with the app, which connects wirelessly to the camera and allows you to not only play back and preview footage, but also control the functions of the camera. Go check it out. We'll have a link to this in the description below. Now next up, we're checking out a car cover. Now after our previous car cover has been completely sold out and discontinued, you're looking for a good quality car cover, and we found this one. This has a triple stitched exterior and a soft lined interior. It also has mirror pockets and antenna holes in case your car has those. You can choose your vehicle from the drop down while ordering the cover, which is excellent, and it is UV resistant as well as 100% waterproof and also dust proof because of the design. I like the fact that it has a soft lining so it doesn't scratch the paint or any kind of coating that you may have on your car, and it also has an elastic at the bottom so it doesn't roll down and fall on the floor if it is not properly attached onto your car. You also do have a clip at the bottom to prevent your cover from flying off in case of high winds, and it is UV proof so it will not get damaged in the sun. Highly recommend it. Go check it out. Now next up is a tool that comes in really handy, especially for me, because this is a clip that attaches to the sun visor and allows you to clip on your sunglasses. Now my car doesn't have a sunglasses holder, so this is a great tool to have, especially if you're going on long drives and you want to constantly put on and remove your sunglasses. This also has 2 slots for cards, so in case you want to keep an emergency card in your car, or if you need a parking access card in your car, then you can have it stored right there on the sun visor for easy access. It's a simple accessory that does what it says on the tin. It's highly recommended. Go check it out. Now that completes our list, but as always we do have a bonus item for you guys as well, and this one is a doozy. Now this is a tray that attaches to the cup holder of your car, and it is a 9-inch tray that is great for snacking while you are parked in your car. Now if you're somebody who likes to do a lot of drive-through, this is excellent for that, or it is also great for somebody who's on the go and driving throughout the day. I think this will be handy for long trips, although I personally don't like eating in the car, but if you do or if you need to, then this is a great tool to have. It has a swivel and flexible arm that allows you to position the tray in any way that you feel convenient. You can also push it more towards the passenger side or more towards the driver's side once it is clipped onto the cup holder. It also has 3 pins that push out onto the cup holder to attach onto it properly so that you get a tight grip. It also has a phone holder and an anti-slip mat so that you don't have things falling around, basically making it a convenient tray to have in your car. Now this will work great, like I said, if you're parked and eating, but it might also work for some people in the rear seat on the go. What are your thoughts? Let us know, and go check out these accessories. All of them are linked in the description below, and I will see you guys in the next one.